Maple, is that your new easel? Oh, how nice. Show us how you do beautiful art. So nice. Oh, so pretty. That looks beautiful, sweetie. Oh, honey, that's lovely. You're gonna put some more blue? Yeah, blue. So nice. Oh, so pretty. Careful. Do you need it closer? Purple? Good idea. Do you want me to put the cap on? Where's the cap? Where's the cap? Oh, good girl. Thank you. Put the cap on? Oh, other side. Now hold that. Hold it. Good. Good job. Good dance moves. Oh, you want to see what I'm doing? Look, we're looking at your picture. Pretty. Yeah. Can we see you drawing more pictures? You want to draw more pictures? Oh, it's so pretty, honey. Do you want to eat something? Maple, are you hungry? Maple? Do you want some fruit? No. Oh, your finger's over it. Say all done.